This video will walk you through the process of changing the CC and channel assignments of each of the faders on your Sparrow MIDI controller. Today we're going to be using a Sparrow 4x100 controller, and to get started we're going to check a MIDI monitor application such as MIDIView. Here we can see all of the signals that are coming out of the controller. This fader is sending bank on channel 16, modulation on the next, then breath, and then CC3. So we'll go ahead and open up a supported browser, either Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. And from our main site, themidimaker.com, you can click the MIDI Editor tab, and you have these options. How to use the MIDI Editor will take you through step-by-step instructions of what we're going to cover today, and the MIDI Editor tool will take you straight to our editor tool. This site can also be accessed from outside of our website just by going to editor.themidimaker.com. So to get started, if this is the first time you've launched this application, click Get Started and you should receive a prompt to allow or block the MIDI devices. We'll need to click Allow here to move forward. And from there, you'll see your Sparrow 4x100 controller and click Connect. Here you'll see all of the CC values and channel assignments of each of your faders. In order for us to get everything updated, we'll need to make sure all of these boxes that are empty are completely filled in. When you're setting the channel assignments, we can either give each fader an individual channel assignment so that each fader has its own unique channel it sends on, or you can click Common for channel assignment here, and then one value will be used across all four of those for you. And then for your CC values, from left to right for the faders, you can go in and change this. So we'll change to 7, 11, 21, and let's go 0. And once all of the values are updated, we can click Update. You should receive this, that new values were successfully updated. Once you click OK, all of the values you entered will now fill in the current CC values and channel. So now everything should align. And if we close out of the application and open MIDIView, we should now see that when we move the faders, now we have volume on channel 1, expression channel 1, CC21 on channel 1, and bank on channel 1. A quick thing to note is that when you unplug your MIDI controller and you plug it back in, the CC values that you set on the website will still be there. These will be persistent across every device. They're all stored locally on the MIDI controller.